How to fix operation did not complete successfully because the file contains a virus or unwanted software. So let's get started. The first fix is temporarily disable your antivirus protection. If you trust your file and its source, and you think your antivirus has mistakenly recognized it as a potential threat, then turn off your antivirus protection to access your file. All you have to do is open the settings and then tap on the virus and threat protection from the left hand side. Now, in the virus and threat protection settings section, click Manage Settings option available there in blue highlights. Now, simply turn off the real time protection toggle to disable your antivirus protection. In the user account control, prompt that option and open select Yes. Now that your antivirus protection is disabled, launch your file and you will find that it opened without any error messages. You should then enable real-time protection again as soon as possible. Now the another fix is Repair File Explorer. If you still get an operation did not complete virus error, your File Explorer utility may have issues. Do that by opening an elevated command prompt window, and you can do this by launching the start menu, finding command prompt and selecting run as administrator option available there. In the user account control prompt, select yes, and in command prompt type the following command and press enter. This command checks if File Explorer's executable file is corrupt. When the above command has finished running, you can see the options available there. SFC will find and fix issues with your File Explorer utility, and you can then launch your file and it will open without any issues. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.